gonna go to cave diving. Yeah, this probably is a good idea, but yes, I am. Sorry about that. There's the TV. That's TV sound. Anyways, I'm going cave diving. Cave diver always cave dive. Cave dive is always important for your agility. Cave diving is good for your agility and stamina. Yo, I'm literally have a long way to go now. Yep. Definitely have a lot more left. Getting a bit tired. Let's go out of this cave. Almost there. I'm about to die. Okay. Finally, I gotta just jump over here. And then done. But first, I'm doing cave diving. Acid dissolving. Oh. Next story. What was it called? The jumping melon. Wait, what is it called? Sorry, I have to look at my videos. I have to look at my videos to see what it's called and to do a part 2 of it. Where is it? Oh, the story of the... So this will be the story of the Hungry Melon part 2. This will be the story of the Hungry Melon part 2. Yeah. The last episode you saw him almost eating cheese, eating chips. And those chips actually grow. So let's see how big they are now. They actually grow. Let's see how big those chips are now. It's growing. It's generating. These are how big the cheese balls grow. And this jumper guy has to. This guy with my mouth has to be on. Oh, focus. Anyways, I'm done. One down, a lot of more to go. I'm done. 3 more to go. I'm done. 2 more to go. I'm done. Go. I'm done. I had done. Yeah, so I'm. So let me close my mouth. Yep, I closed my mouth. Let's see what we can eat next. Maybe shall we 10,000 likes for this video and I'll eat 10 of these sticky bombs. And I'll even eat a flashbang if they give me 4,000 likes in my next video. I'm actually not lying. I'll eat whatever explosion you'll say in the comments. Yeah. Let me open my mouth. Yeah, I opened my mouth. Time to eat. Time to eat this. I eat it all. I just swallowed it. Yeah. So that's the end of the story. Like and subscribe and also watch this video if you're new to my channel. Like and subscribe. Bye.